What's up mga pards? So, Wadi Kap! Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand! So mga pards, sila yung in order. So mga pards, after namin
I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a princess girl.
pards, ito na yun.
But now there's a window change.
Wow! Mga pards, welcome to Thailand! So yun mga pards, it's another day, another vlog. I am Bihayong Bong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga pards, we are here in Bangkok, Thailand. This is my first time and this is gonna be fun and exciting. But before anything else mga pards, if you're curious about how I get here, please check out my YouTube channel. But for now, let's go and explore Bangkok, Thailand. Let's go mga pards. So yun mga pards, we're done with the immigration and we're currently booking our Grab to the hotel. But mga pards, ang tip ko sa inyo is mag-eSIM kayo para maka-activate kayo ng internet and then mag-withdraw na lang kayo sa airport. Kami nag-money changer, pwede rin kayong mag-money changer and punta kayo dun sa K-Bank. Kulay green yung logo niya eh. Parang okay yung kanyang mga palitan. So ngayon ay pababa tayo mga pards at pupuntahan natin kung saan tayo magbubuk ng Grab. So, let's go! Mga pards, ito yung Magic Food Point yung napanood ko sa vlog ni Ivan DG. So yan pala yun, pwede rin pala kumain dyan. But yun nga mga pards, medyo busog pa naman kami, so hindi kami kakain. Pero pwede rin daw dyan. Mga parts dito sa pinakababayan, may mga dito, booking ng mga tour din, eSIM, tsaka iba pang mga tours sa pinakambaba. Dito rin yung sakayan ng Grab kasi kami mga parts mag-grab lang kami sa aming shelter or home in Bangkok. So yun, mag-room tour tayo mga parts. So kaya let's go! So mga parts, dito yung Grab A pick-up point. So medyo nakakalito lang mga parts pero may sign naman dito sa door number 4 over there. So dire-diretso lang. Nandito yung Grab pick-up point letter A kasi meron letter B. So mga pards, mag-quick room tour lang tayo dito sa aming pinagsiyan dito sa Bangkok. This is called Siam Shelter and ito yung room namin. Yan. So pagpasok ng mga pards, ito na. Double bed, tapos meron ditong pull-out bed. Yan. Okay naman. Medyo maliit lang siya mga pards. And medyo madumi na din siya. And then nandito yung mirror and sink. Okay naman. And then dito na yung yung washroom. Kita din siya mga pards. I mean medyo in terms of privacy, hindi masyadong private. Wala din siyang lock. Pero may hot and cold shower. Meron din silang toiletries and amenities. Shower gel, shampoo. Yan. And mga parts, may bidet naman siya. And then dito, ayan, may lagay ng mga gamit. Meron din sa mga patawel, toiletries. Meron din free water. And then, of course, AC naman siya. Nandito na yung ibang mga may rep, may table, may TV. So, yun lang mga parts. Medyo maliit lang siya. But this is very, very affordable mga parts. Nakuha lang namin to at 14,000 for 4 nights and 5 days here in Bangkok. And maganda din naman yung location niya. Pero wala siyang breakfast. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung reception area nila. So, yung room namin mga parts, it's in the 3rd floor. Ayan, nasa sa baba. Ayan. So, para siyang industrial team, bohemian. And mga parts, ang disadvantage lang, they don't have elevator. So, I think hindi siya masyadong advisable sa mga senior citizen, kapag may kasama kayong mga disabled or person with disability. But if you're looking for a budget hotel or a budget stay here in Bangkok, you can try this one. And ito na yung reception area. Yeah. They also have free food over here, like coffee. Yan, libre lahat yan mga parts. Even this one. So now, let's go. And then mga parts, ito yung neighborhood niya. Yan. So may mga tindahan naman dito. And then meron ding 7-Eleven. May mga kainan na dito. So, hindi naman kayo magugutom mga parts. Like, yan o, mga street food. And for today's video, kasama na naman natin si Kuya Jerome. Say hi!
Hello!
And syempre si ang ating big time na architect na friend. Yes, si Pards Edison. So, ngayon mga parts, it's our first day here in Thailand. Technically, our first day kasi kagabi kami dumating. So, mga parts ang nakakatawa, wala kaming masyadong alam. First time namin lahat. So, yung IT namin, it's kapa-kapa. So, today we plan to go to the temples first and then go to the malls and mag-bar hopping later. So, samahan nyo kami for today's video mga parts to explore ang aming first day here in Bangkok, Thailand. Let's go mga parts! So mga parts, dahil gusto muna namin mag-plan, naghahanap kami ng coffee or wala nga breakfast yung hotel namin. So napadaan kami dito sa Mono Cafe. Malapit lang, walking distance lang sa aming hotel. And yeah. So magko-coffee muna kami. Ayan, ang ganda din dito mga parts. So let's have our first coffee here in Thailand, here at Mono Cafe. So mga parts, ito yung in-order namin. This is only 405. Itong meal na to, tapos dalawang ko, 435. So that is around 800 in pesos. So yeah. Let's have our first breakfast here in Bangkok. So mga parts, we are going to Wat Arun and we take the Grab because we don't know how to ride the BTS yet. So, our first itinerary for today is Wat Arun. So mga pards, nandito na kami going to Wat Arun. Nag-grab lang kami and malapit na kami dito sa Wat Arun. So for today's video mga pards, we plan to rent Thai costume and to rent a photographer for this one. So last katulad niyan mga pards. So nice. Morning. And gusto namin mag-photo off dito sa Wat Arun. So, check natin mga parts kung magkano ba siya and kung magiging sumakses ba tayo for today's video. So mga parts, we saw a package here. That's 2,500, right? 2,500 photography service plus costume for 3.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Special
No
number.
discount, 2,000.
This brother normal.
Brother, 2,000.
Yeah, brother normal. Costume.
A costume, costume is separate from the photographer, so it will cost us
So, discount. So, all.
2,000.
So that's only 2,500. So okay, for everybody. Okay.
What do you like about
So we'll choose a costume and we're gonna choose
That
also our pegs over here. Yeah, I think this is good. This is just in front of Wat Arun, like over there. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Ito.
it okay? Okay? Little bit no?
So mga parts, we're changed into Thai costume. Yeah, so dito kayo mga parts. It's only 2,500. Kasama na yung costume and then the photographer. Actually, mas mura siya sa Klook mga parts. It's 2,500 lang the photographer.
Cash on. Kuya, cash on.
Yeah.
คาร์ดจะชาร์จ 10% ชาร์จ 10%
Because for card, we will charge additional 5%. For cash, it's 2,500.
So, how much?
2,500. You're also a photographer? Okay. So you will be the one joining us? You will be the one joining us? You will be the one to photo us? No? Photo? Who will join us?
โฟโต้ together นะ three
Who will be our photographer? You? Him? You? Oh, okay.
Kuya.
So mga parts, after namin mabihisan and all, may papayong din mga parts. Magbabayad naman tayo ng entrance. It's 200 baht per head. So let's go and pay. 200 baht per person. Yay! So excited! So mga parts, yung 200 baht naman na entrance fee, so that is around 400 pesos. May kasama naman siyang water. So mga parts, maganda na yung nakuha namin package. Kasi 2,500 siya with the photographer for 3 with costume, diba?
But supposedly it's 2,800.
Yes.
But they discounted us
Because
for
in Klook, it's 2,500 for the photographer alone.
Yeah, and then 100 bucks for the costume.
Yes. So ngayon, kasama namin si Bas, our photographer.
For the Divisoria update. For the tawad.
Yes, so dun kayo sa harap mismo ng Wataru. May libre pa umbrella. Mga parts, dito na kami sa loob. Wow! Ayun na, we will be having our first stop here with Bas. And he will be instructing you what poses.
this time นะone step yes
So mga parts, we are now here at our second station for the photo op with Bas. So mga parts, ang init. So kaya lang, kailangan ready kayo sa weather, mainit siya. So dito kami sa aming next station. Ang maganda mga parts, i-instruct niya kayo ni Bas kung what will be your poses and how to go about your photo op. What this one is, what mga parts, the experience is so happy, but be ready for the weather. Mga parts, it's so hot, so I suggest that you go here very, very early in the morning because it's really hot. It's giving summer vibe here, but we're so far we're good. We're enjoying what we are doing right now.
Let's put our back.
So now we are here at the third station. Mga parts, ang saya na experience, pero ang init. Pero sobrang enjoy. For me, sulit na yung 2,500 baht with the photographer na may mag-picture sa inyo ng maayos sa photo. Also with the costume that, tingnan mo naman yung costume ko, parts. Oh, ganda. So piliin nyo to, yung blue, tapos dark blue na bottom. Ganda. Ganda sa picture. And also, ang ganda mag-photo of dito sa What I Ruin. But parts, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe, please like, share, comment down below if you have questions. And please follow me in my social media account, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Also at Behind. So yun mga parts, limited yung time ha kasi 1 hour. So medyo mabilis yung facing. So dapat pag nagpo-post kayo, mabilis, sobrang bilis. So mga parts, we're here now at the final. I think this is yung pinaka-last. Ito na yung sikat na temple ng Wataru. So nice. So look at that mga parts. So may photography din kami dito. So medyo mainit nga naman as mentioned, but ang suggestion ko is really go here early and to rent a photographer para masulit yung experience. And para alam niyo na din saan kayo mag-picture na maganda talaga siya. Okay? So now let's proceed with our photo op again. And mga parts, finally we're here in the most famous temple of Wat Arun here. Sobrang ganda niya mga parts. Ayun, no? Ganda ng details and colors and architecture. It's so amazing. I cannot say that the camera is giving justice But in person, it's very good. It's very nice. It's giving years of hard work that they made, how they made it. So, yeah. Water room! So, mga parts, after photo shoot,
We're so tired, it's so hot.
ang init na parts, medyo hindi ko in-expect. Mainit siya because syempre yung tela and of course the sun. But yeah, we are glad. I'm glad that we get this package with photographer and costume. Yeah, kasi nandito na rin naman sa Thailand, so might as well try it. Right! So, dito kami, nag-wait lang, nagpapahinga sa tapat nitong temple in Wat Arun. So mga parts, we're now here at Wat Pho. Nandito yung reclining Buddha. And there is an entrance fee of 300. Oh my God, there's a cute cat. 300 baht and cash only. Look at that cat. There's a cat. 300 baht. So, let's go inside mga parts. So, bali nag-grab lang kami dito. 152 baht, mga 300 pesos kasi from Wat Arun, tatawid ng river, medyo malayo. So, we suggest kapag like group of 3 naman kayo, ride the grab. So, mga parts, nagbayad na kami ng 300 baht. So, mga 600 pesos yon dito sa Wat Pho. Mas less yung crowd dito mga parts. Unlike sa Wat Arun, sobrang daming tao. So for now, let's look for the reclining Buddha. Kasi yun yung famous nila. May mga orchids. So mga parts, ito yung sikat na pinupuntahan. Yung reclining Buddha here. Sa temple number 10. Kasi madaming mga temple dito mga parts. But temple number 10. Ito. Wala, daming tao. And I think they will give you a bag to go so that you can bring your shoes. So, ang daming tao mga parts. Ayan o, ibigyan na kayo ng bag so that you can carry your shoes. Eto na siya mga parts. Ang laki niya. Si reclining Buddha. Daming tao dito mga parts kasi ito yung pinupuntahan. So, this is one of the most famous destinations here. And may mga pillars so hindi mo makita yung totoong recline. But it's so very, so huge. So mga pards, tapos na kami dito kay Wat Pho and sobrang daming tao mga pards. So hindi kayo makapag-picture ng maayos and also sobrang dami talaga. So ingat din kayo sa mga pickpockets mga pards kasi sobrang dami, dikit-dikit talaga yung mga tao. But yeah, it's a good experience. So for us, it's good na napuntahan na namin siya. But siguro when you go back to Thailand, hindi mo na siya pupuntahan ulit. So now, nagugutom na kami. We will be going to lunch. So samahan nyo kami. Saan tayo pa dadalhin ng ating mga paa for lunch. So mga parts, as you know, if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, mahilig kami kumain sa mga Michelin. And when in Thailand, of course, one must is to try the Michelin recognized restaurant. So we are here at Som Tom There. This is Michelin recommended for 6 consecutive years. And this is their menu. So yung price nila ranges from 240 and 200 sa mga 400, and they also have drinks over here, coffee. So yeah, I'm sure we'll enjoy this one. Let's go! Cup and cup. Sawadee cup. Oh, and mga parts malamig. Som Tom Deer. So mga parts were here at Som Tom Deer 2018 to 2024 Michelin. Yeah! So dami nilang menu. We ordered their suggestion because we're so hungry. So yeah, let's see. Let's wait. So mga parts, this is the papaya salad that we ordered. Beef steak something. And specialty nila na calamansi Thai juice. So ito na yung mga main order namin mga parts. Calamansi Thai juice. Si Kuya nag-order ng mango. This is their must-have specialty. Beef steak something. Papaya salad. So now we're just waiting for our pad thai. Mga parts, yung salad nila. Sarap. Medyo maanghang lang ang mga parts. And the beef. Let's dip it in the sauce.
Gonna eat like beef.
Happy beef.
You have to put like beef.
Ah, really? Mga parts, first pad thai in Thailand. So, syempre, tikman natin yung pad thai dito sa Michelin. Wow. Sarap, pero mga parts, warning lang. Ang ahang ng mga pagkain nila. Parang mamanhid na yung dila ako. Pero sarap siya. Sarap. So mga parts, dahil na kami mag-lunch sa Michelin Som Tom Deer. Ang nabayaran namin mga parts is 1,300 baht. So in peso, it's around 2,500 for 3. Not bad mga parts, and ang sarap niya. So pag napunta kayo dito sa Wat Po Temple, malapit lang siya, tapat lang siya ng Wat Po, yung Michelin na yon. Ito na yung Wat Po. So i-Google directions nyo na lang. Ngayon naman mga parts, we're heading to the Grand Palace kasi ngayon ay temple run tayo. Inuna na namin yung mga temples that are must visit here in Bangkok para tapos na tayo. The next agenda natin iba naman. So let's go. Mga parts, nandito na kami sa Grand Palace. Yung nalakad lang namin from Wat Po to the Grand Palace. It's 500 baht yung entrance. 500 no? So 1,000? Wow! Ano?
Kayo.
Ay, nandito.
Wag na. Sa bagay lang.
Parang hindi na natin siya babalikan. Parang hindi na natin siya babalikan. So,
Tayong bayad.
may pwedeng credit card eh. So, dito tayo sa credit card, 1,000 pesos I think. So, mga cards, pwedeng credit card. So, it's 500 baht. And you're getting the ticket. So, since dito na tayo mga parts, medyo mahal siya kasi that will be 1,000 pesos. But, since we're here already, let's explore na this Grand Palace. Mga parts, bawal yung drone. Nakalagay doon, no drone shot. Wow! Ang laki. Laki mga parts. So dito tayo sa entrance. For Thai people, it's free. Free yung entrance sa mga Thai people.
Maybe people for it with them.
So mga parts, lahat ng temple dito, you need to remove your shoes. So I suggest, wear yung comfy shoes saka yung madaling tanggalin and insure. So pasok tayo dito sa Grand Palace. The Emerald Buddha. So mga parts, bawal mag-video tsaka mag-picture dun sa loob ng Grand Palace or dun sa Emerald Buddha. Outside the Emerald Buddha, marami pa rin mga temple na pwede kayong mapag-picturean, like this one, full of gold. Ayan. Meron din doon. Yeah. But, mga parts, it's very, very hot. So, tanghaling tapat, we need some shelter. Maganda siguro mga parts kung pupunta kayo dito ng umaga or pahapon. Yeah, para medyo malamig. Pero may time lang to mga parts eh. Hindi siya open every time. So there you have it mga parts. Tapos na natin ang temple run. So we visited three major temples here in Bangkok, Thailand. First yung Wat Arun, second yung Wat Po, and finally the Grand Palace. So ngayon mga parts, dito na kami sa Paragon Siam, yung isa din sa sikat na mall dito sa Bangkok, to have our dessert kasi sobrang init and sobrang alinsangan ng panahon. But I hope ay nagkaroon kayo ng idea on what to explore, especially yung mga temples na sikat dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. And for now, mga parts, tapusin muna natin ang vlog na ito. And hopefully, ay makabalik tayo soon. But marami pa tayong mga explore dito sa Thailand. It's only our first day here. So don't forget to subscribe and watch out for my next vlogs. Marami pa tayong explore. Pupunta pa tayo ng Pattaya. At saka yung floating market pa tayo. So yun, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please click like, share, comment down below if you have questions. And please follow me in my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Also at The Airwalk. So for now mga parts, let's go. Enjoy muna natin itong ating halo-halo version nila here in Thailand. Then nag-order din ako nitong gourmet eats. And dito kami sa food hall na marami ring Michelin restaurant dito sa Paragon Siam. So yung mga parts, hanggang sa mga susunod kong YouTube videos, stay safe and healthy. Bye!